Hello, my name is Max Inc. And Drone Man cannot be shown.
I saw a but you can hear me because I'm not using my real voice. I'm just
He's related to Lego Man, by the way. Maybe, I think, I don't know. But we have Drone. And take off! Da-na-na-na-na. Oh! Oh no! Dude, oh no. Freedom, drone! Fly away!
I'm using all my power.
Yes! No! Poor little droney! All power! Focus it on upping!
I can see the roof through the camera.
Guys, oh. Why do they have so many rocks in their gutter?
Is that the gutter? I seriously can't tell. Okay. Rescue. Overbalance. Overbalance.
Overbalance! We must... Chicken nugget! Everyone, please. Subscribe right now to save the drone. Subscribe and the drone will be safe. Have you subscribed? You have to subscribe, otherwise the drone will be dead. And he will be on that roof for the rest of eternity.
Take it off, dude. If there wasn't too much angle, then I could not.
Here,
Here,
you hold this. Maybe I can try.
Okay.
All right, record, man. Rescue. Okay, back. Take off.
It's right there, as you can see.
I cannot hit the take off button. It's not working.
I know there's an emergency. See the emergency?
Yeah, I know. I clicked on it. Overbalance. We will save you, drone.
I don't think we'll go save him. This is oofer. That's why we shouldn't take it so high next time.
Or we should do it over there in the trees.
Yes.
In the field. Wait, what did that? Oh, huh?
What'd you do? What'd you click?
I clicked random shit. Take off. Rescue. Emergency. Too much angle. Oh no. Oh no.
Hopefully you guys can see the drone, cause that's a drone.
Yeah, this is a situation. Here. Alright, let's end the video off here. If you subscribe, that will give us the power to save the drone. Okay? Make sure you subscribe.
This is my drone we're talking about.